Alright, so let's move to the third dialogue. Third dialogue is between these two girls. The first one is asking 明天星期六. Tomorrow it is 星期六. So what is 星期六? If Monday is 星期一, so 星期六 it should be Saturday, right? So she is asking, tomorrow it is Saturday. 你去学校吗? Will you go to the university? Or will you go to the school? 你去学校吗? The B is answering, 我去学校. I will go to the school. 去 means to go. Important word because it is used in multiple places. B is saying, 我去学校. 我去学校. I will go to the school. 你去学校做什么? 你去学校做什么? What will you do there? What will you do in school? So if you want to ask someone about what are they doing, you can simply say 你在做什么? What are you doing? 你在做什么? What are you doing? So 你去学校做什么? Why are you going there? So 我去学校看书. 我去学校看书. It means I'm going to school for I will go to school to read some book. Actually 看书 means to read some book. In other words, it means I will go to the library. So they usually go to library to read some book. She means that tomorrow, Saturday, I will go to school and the library to do some reading. Alright, so after that, let's see what are the new words here in this dialogue. New words are 去. 去, it means to go. 我去, I will go. 学校, to the school. So where are you going? 你去哪儿? There are many sentences which use this 去. So don't forget this word, and this is how we write. Keep practicing, otherwise you will forget it. Next word is 学校. 学校. 学校 it means school. 看 it means to read. 你在看什么? 你在看什么? It is a verb. So it means 你在看什么? What are you looking for, or what are you looking at? 你在看什么? What are you looking at? 书 is book. 看书 it means to do some readings. So 看 means to look, to watch, to read. 看书 it means to read a book. Alright, let's revise this. 明天星期六你去学校吗? 明天星期六你去学校吗? Tomorrow is Saturday. Will you go to the school? 我去学校. I will go to school. 我去学校. 你去学校做什么? 你去学校做什么? What will you do there? 我去学校看书. 我去学校看书. I will go there to do some readings, or I will go to the library there. Alright, so let's summarize whatever we have covered today. We have covered a lot of very important words. The first one is 请. 请, it means please. 问, to ask. 请问, excuse me. 今天, today. Today. So you have to remember this word today. 今天. Next one is how. How, it means number. 月, month. And 星期, actually it is first tone here. 星期, it is week. And after that we learned how to say yesterday. It is 昨天. And tomorrow it is 明天. 去 is to go. And 学校 is school. So there are multiple types of schools, like university and middle school, high school. So regarding 学校, we have made a wonderful post on our Facebook page, Learn Chinese with Kamran. Just go there and find out our post and learn more about names of schools, how to call university and high school and middle school, how to pronounce their names. You can learn about them at our page. Go there and check it out. Next one is 看. 看 is to look, to watch, and it is 书 is book. So you are reading some book. 我在看书. I'm reading some book. 我在看书. I'm reading a book. 你在看什么? What are you watching or what are you looking? So we have covered 12 more words in this lesson in just few minutes. This is a big achievement again. Congratulations. So now we will go to the quiz. Again, this is just to help you out to revise whatever we have covered. The first one here is shoe. Shoe is book. So find out where is the book. I think it is E here. And 中国菜, 中国菜, a Chinese food. Find out where is Chinese food. A, B, C, D, E, F. I think you can find it. Simply find what is relevant to these words and put their name here. For example, 中国菜. If it is C, you can say C. If it is D, you can simply write here D. And similarly, you have to complete all these 6 fill in the blanks and simply leave a comment below. It will also be helpful for the newcomers. And if you're shy, you can send us a message on our WhatsApp. We will tell you if it is correct or you need some changes. After that, we also have an assignment for you guys. For example, this dotted line is only for this area. So if it is 今天是, so this first one is 今天是, what year and which month and which day, and 星期 which day of the week. So this is dotted line is showing that you have to use this figure. So it is 1st January 2013. So you have to say 今天是, first month is 1月1号 and 星期, what is the day at this date? I don't know. You have to go in calendar and find out what is the day and simply put it here. And this one 今天, it is showing 18th May. So 今天 5 month and 18 day. You have to write in Chinese instead of writing just number. 5 is 5月 and 18号. And here you have to find out what is the day today. For example, it's 22 is Wednesday. How to write Wednesday here? 星期 what? And similarly for 23rd, it is Thursday. How to fill this blank? Leave your comments below this video. We will tell you the correct answers. Similarly here, 明天我去什么什么. I will go where? 看什么. So tomorrow I will go somewhere to watch something. So just follow your lesson, whatever we have covered, and follow this book. This is school. So tomorrow I will go to school to read some book. Alright, so this was all from us for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope to see you in next video again. Until that, take care. Goodbye.